Hi friends, here I would like to demonstrate you a locker security system. In the security system, we are using RFID and fingerprint module as well as keypad. With the keypad, we are entering password. With the RFID, we are showing some cards. Here we have two cards. One is ID number 01 and other one is ID number 00. So now let us have a look on different modules which are using in this project. So this is the main board. So in this board we are using ARM controller. This one is LPC2148 microcontroller. Then here this is the MAX232 and this is the COM port 2. Other one is, this one is keypad, 4x3 keypad, as well as here L293D driver. So this driver helps you to rotate the DC motor. Here DC motor is there. So this 5 volts and 10 RPM DC motor we are using in this project. Now here RFID reader is there. So this RFID reader supports RS-232 protocol, as well as here GSM modem is there. So the GSM modem supports RS-232 protocol. Then these two are connecting through one switching circuit is there. Okay. So through switching circuit we are sending the data to microcontroller, as well as we are receiving the data from the microcontroller. So now let us have a look how to operate this thing. Here first let us have a look on LCD. Show your card. Now first you have to show your card. So this one is your RFID card. You have to show this card across RFID reader. Now like this. Okay. Now this is the card number and ID number. Now put your finger over fingerprint scanner like this. So now it is after keeping the finger over the fingerprint module, then you have to press any key on the keypad. Now here identifying and successfully read your finger, enter your password through keypad. Now password is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now sending OTP, then I will get the OTP to my mobile. Message has been sent. Now OTP is there. I got the SMS and opening. Then read the SMS. This is the first OTP which I got from my circuit. This one is 2592. So this OTP you have to enter on the circuit with the help of keypad. Now please enter the OTP what you have got to your mobile. Now then door is opened and again closed. Okay, so this is a total demonstration of your key. Thank you.